Okay, folks, so I'm going to do this installation, hopefully finish it real quick. Bar sink, underneath a bar sink. I haven't tiled it yet. This is new construction I've been doing. I want to install the filter under there. I already have an adapter you can see there that goes on that PEX out to this commercial ice maker here. I have this cold system dispenser that does water, cold water, hot water, carbonated water, so you can make mocktails and all these things. It uses a sidekick right now that was using that gave it water. I disconnected that because it came with a hose as well, with a shut-off valve that will allow me to connect it to permanent water, not having to refill this sidekick all the time. So even though there's a filter in here, I figured let me take advantage of putting filtered water into the filter, really making sure that there's no residue that gets into this machine, or the least amount, so that it will last as long as possible. So this hose I will continue to route. I will drill a hole through the side front of the under sink cover here, go in. But now I will disconnect the top here, which is the hose that goes up to the faucet. They have given inlet outlet hoses here that just push into these connectors and click, kind of the PEX connection. There's an inlet and outlet clearly marked. And what I will do is I will connect this valve I purchased to the outlet. That means that that's the filtered water. And then connect that to the under sink faucet line and push in the PEX, connect the PEX hose for the cull machine. I just showed you that blue hose into here, so that the filtered water comes out of this will end up in my cull filter. I have to be careful to make sure everything is tight so nothing leaks. Also, when I did the initial video, I want to show you there's this tool that said tools that came with it. Let me move some stuff out the way here. There's this tool, and there's this tool, and basically that goes in the hole at the side here. Let me show you, right? And this goes on top in here, and you hold the two together, and that's how you unscrew this part to get the filter out. And you obviously would need this because once the hoses are connected, you won't have the ability to pick the whole thing up to take it out and put it in your hands, right? Because the PEX connectors will be in. You don't want to keep messing with PEX connectors because once you click, it's supposed to be a seal. So that you can, right under the sink, you can hold it here and use this tool at top to open it up, change the filter, close it back. So I'll take pictures for the review as I go along my way, and then I'll probably do another short video into this one to show you the final result. So I've connected the inlet and outlet PEX pieces by just pushing them down inside. I have to tell you, initially I was filming and not paying attention. I installed them on the wrong ends, and I kind of made a mess because I realized that they sent extra elbows, and I was trying to get it out of here to put it in a new elbow. Then I realized that they simply screw out and screw into the filter. So I'm hoping they don't leak, otherwise I will have to now resort to, I guess, plumber's tape around these that go into the filter. Also, the height of the pipes that came in here, I have to use that tray for now until I build a base, because these hoses are too short to reach either the current connection here from the ground or going back up to the faucet. So I'm going to make it work with this base for now. We'll see how it goes. All right, so all the connections are made now. You see the blue hose connected to the other valve, and it's running through here. I ran it through here. I put a little conduit up here. I have to polish it off up here, figure out what I'm gonna do here. But I didn't do anything here because I'm still building this. Here's a valve going into the cull machine. And now I'm gonna open this valve. And with opening that valve right here, the cull machine is now getting water, no longer needing this sidekick. So far, so good. I keep my fingers crossed, there are no leaks. And I know my son, who loves the carbonated water, will be very happy. So that's it, folks. The installation of the SimPure V7 under sink water filter.